Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a TressAllure wig called Dayna, and the color is Chiffon Candy. Chiffon Candy is the closest color to the Creamy Toffee R from the Renee of Paris line, or perhaps 12FS8 by John Renault, or Sparkling Champagne by Envy. There are lots of colors like this around, so it's a really nice color if you're looking for a kind of, popular blonde. This is a 3.1 ounce wig. The bangs are 4.25 inches and they have a slight curl to them, so they don't really get in my eyes very much, which is really nice. I still wear it off the face just because I'm not really the kind of person who wears bangs on a regular basis. I have a really stubby forehead. The crown down is 7.5 inches and the nape is 5. So before I do anything else, let me go ahead and show you what Dayna looks like on all sides. As you can probably tell, Dayna is a shag. She is shorter on top, has lots of layering, and has this sort of flaring, flippy, sort of longer nape. It has a lot of volume potentially on top. You just gotta play with her a little bit. There's also a little bit of static in this wig, so you can see boop, 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 boop. She's sort of got some flyaway action. But I attribute this, especially when you pull the wig right out of the box like I do for my reviews, to it being in a box. It sort of shifts and shimmies around during packaging and shipping, and that builds friction, and friction leads to static, which makes the hair go bloop bloop bloop. So the best thing to do when you first get a wig, especially if you try it on, it fits, and you decide you want to keep it, make sure that caveat is taken care of. You dunk her in some water, comb her out the way you want her, stick it on a head form, let it dry. That will usually take care of much of the static. And what's even better is if you spray some Simply Styling or Envy Renew and Repair on it while it's drying. That'll also help prevent static buildup in your wig. So let me go ahead and show you the lace front on Dayna. I consider this a really well done lace front. I've got it pushed up a little bit further on my forehead than I would normally wear it. As you can see, the knots are nice and light. Very nicely done there. So it's always nice when you get a bang and you get the lace front, because it kind of gives you some more options. I'm gonna go ahead and take Dayna off now so I can show you the cap construction. Here's a closer look at that monofilament side part now that it's off my head. Hopefully you can see that. It's pretty dense, but the knotting is very nice. Wigs. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com, bringing you lots of wig reviews and color spotlights this season. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit us on Instagram and various social media. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.